For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Begin by flipping down the visor and flipping up the lid. There are 4 clips holding on the lens. Insert your screwdriver into the little slot on the side. Pry out the slot, and then the top and bottom clips, and remove the lens. We highlight here where the clips attach to the assembly. Pop out the incandescent bulb with your screwdriver. Install the LED and rotate it so the chips face out. Install the inside tabs first, and then push in the other side. Now repeat those steps on the other lens. Pry out the clips and remove the lens. Pop out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED. Rotate it so the chips face out. Replace the inside edge of the lens first and then push it in. You can now repeat those steps on the passenger side. The LED bulbs are much brighter compared to the incandescent bulbs. The light from the LEDs illuminate the entire front area of the car. For this installation, you'll need a flat trim tool and some tape. There are 6 clips to pry free to remove the lens. On the front corner opposite the buttons, use your trim tool to pry down the corner. Now do the same on the opposite corner. Slide your trim tool around the edge to free the rest of the clips. We highlight here where the clips attach the lens to the housing. For the first method, use some tape wrapped around the bulb. Pull the tape to remove the bulb. For the second method, if you can reach the bulb with your fingers, you can just pull the bulb out. Install the LED bulbs and test both. Line up the clips on the lens with the slots in the housing. Push the edges of the lens to lock it in. The incandescent bulbs don't do much to light up the interior. These new LED bulbs light up the entire cabin all the way to the floor.